D-Lu collect, D-Lu collect, one more time, D-Lu collect. Crop tees for the heat, regular tees for everybody in between, sweaters for the sweater weather, hoodies for the hoodie season, cropped hoodies, cropped sweaters, it don't get no better. When you shop with Lu, we steady come through with a sale that is good as hell. Exhilarating streetwear with pride.
What's up, Urban Mafia? It's your girl SHAKUR, and I'm back as a mom. Hello. So in this video, I'll be showcasing these faux locks from Jenny Collection. This is their new addition to their Locs line. These are their Mermaid Locs in the 20-inch, and I got it in the color 1B. Now with these faux locks, it comes with the locks, of course, and it also comes with loose ends, just so y'all can achieve that boho look in a quicker way. Because in 2020, we don't have time to sit in that chair for hours and hours. Now, I do want to mention that this is not a tutorial. This is me just showing you guys how the hair was installed. I'm going to give you guys a few styles, and towards the end, I will let you guys know my thoughts on these faux locks, if I think they're heavy, how long I think they will last, you know, information like that. Also, Jenny Collection have 3 more new styles to their Locs line, which is the Mambo Passion Twist, the Nomadic Twist, and Macy Boxburg in 24 inches. I just want to put that out there just in case if you guys are interested in the Mermaid Locs, you can definitely check these styles out as well, and all the links will be in the description box below. So this is the next day. I slept with the crochets and the top knot. I had wrapped it oh so well with a silk scarf and a bonnet. Now what we're going to do is just go ahead and lay these edges. Like, what's the style without them edges laid? So I had 7 packs in total, and I ended up using 4.5 packs. Now, to me, the hair wasn't heavy at all. The locks are really lightweight. Now, to a newbie, it may be a little heavy, but for me, it was really good. I slept with these comfortably. Yeah, that's not right. D-Lu Collect is having a sale going on right now, 20% off for limited time. The link will be in the description box below. I know y'all got them taxes. Go ahead and drop a bag, okay?
7 whole days, 7 whole nights. Can't wait to get you by my side so you can touch me. Next time when I'm yours and you're mine, baby, it will be exciting when we meet up that night. 2 sparks ignite. It's funny how it seems like eternity. I want to be. Can you get here?
Mafia. So here we go. Here are my thoughts about these mermaid locks. Now I'm gonna start off with the cons. Let's start off with the cons first. So one con, I can say I have one con with these locks, and it's that I don't like these loose ends, like the loose hair that comes with the locks. I don't like it because it's like, you see it, some pieces is just, I don't know, like I feel like it just messed up the whole vibe when it comes to the locks. Because if y'all look at the locks and how they curl up, and then look at these loose ends, they just, some of them just straight and some of them wavy. And I wore my hair up in the high bun last night and I wrapped it up real good, but I can already tell this style is not gonna last long, only because of these loose ends. Like, I don't like them at all. I wish it was more like a tighter curl or a deep wave or something like that. But I feel like because I put so much of the loose ends into the crochet look, I feel like it's going to mess my hair up. Granted, it gives me that messy boho look, but I don't want it to look messy to the point that it's ugly, you know. So I just know that I would have to take real good care of it, put mousse or something in it just to make the loose ends look decent. Okay, Leia, you just had to wake up. Cons. My cons with this hair is that I really don't like the loose hair that comes with the locks. I can already tell that it's going to get tangled up and it's going to give me that real messy look. And granted, that's the whole purpose of these locks, you know, mermaid locks. It's supposed to give you that boho chic look. But I don't want it to look messy to the point to where it's ugly, you know. So if I could do one thing over, I would not put so much of the loose hair into this crochet look, because the loose hairs is already frizzing up, they straighten out, they getting matted and nappy, you know. I don't like it. Now the pros with this hair is that the locks are cute, like the style is cute in general. It's just the downside is I know my style in particular won't last long because I have all these loose ends in my hair. Like, I really wanted to get that boho messy look, which I achieved, but over time you can already tell what's about to go on here. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? But yeah, you guys, overall the style is cute, but if you want to do this style, I would say do not put a lot of the loose ends into the style, because honey, over time your hairstyle is going to get stale. Yeah, y'all, I will leave all the links in the description box below regarding to this crochet hair. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Leia ain't letting up, so I love y'all, Urban Mafia, and I will see y'all in my next one.
You know I get out there quick. What they said, tell them get on my dick. Stepped out, not like a brick.